Hello, today we will install Nzxt Kraken 360 RGB. Step 1. Mounting the radiator and fans. Step 2. Remove the stock AMD mounting bracket and keep the original backplate on the rear of the motherboard. Step 3. From the front of the motherboard, install the 4 AMD sleeves. Make sure you use the right side of the sleeve. Step 4. From the front of the motherboard, install the 4 AMD standoffs. Step 5. Press and hold the Intel retention bracket firmly towards the pump. Rotate the Intel retention bracket counterclockwise to release. Pull out the Intel retention bracket. Follow these steps in reverse order to install the AMD retention bracket onto the pump. Step 6. Orient the pump's tube to fit your build. We recommend installing with the tube's exit at the 6 o'clock position. The display orientation can be adjusted in 90-degree increment via Nzxt cam. Step 7. Place the pump with the retention bracket onto the CPU. Ensure the standoffs go through the holes on the bracket and apply the thumb nuts in the order as shown. Step 8. Connect the breakout cable to the pump. Step 9. Connect the pump 3-pin connector to the 4-pin CPU fan or AIO pump connector on the motherboard. Step 10. Mounting the radiator and fan. Depending on your radiator mounting setup, please use the appropriate screws to mount the radiators. Connect the 4-pin PWM fan cable to an open header on the fan splitter. Connector cable connect to controller. USB 2.0 I cables are plugged into the USB splitter. Step 12. Connect pump and controller SATA power cable to an available SATA power connector. And USB 2.0 pin splitter connect to USB port from motherboard. How to install or download to Nzxt cam. We type Nzxt cam into Google. Entering Nzxt's page. We are downloading. Let's install. With this software, you will be able to control the liquid cooling screen, and you can also see how much of its parts are used. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a good day.